Good evening, everyone. We are Group 1 with me, Alifah Mulidawati, and my colleague.
Adinda Hermawati.
Our topic for today presentation is sentence structure. We kindly ask you to listen and attentively explanation.
Sentence structure, learning goals. 1. Learn how to build a basic English sentence using the SVO pattern. 2. Practice writing simple and correct academic sentence. 3. Understand how to use capital letters and punctuation marks.
Introduction. Follow a typical subject, verb, object, or SVO pattern and consists of four main types: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex, based on the number and type of clauses, or independent of dependent or dependent.
What makes a good sentence part of a sentence? Part subject, explanation, who or what the sentence is about. Example, the student. Part verb, explanation, what the subject does or is. Example, write. Part objects, explanation, what or who receive the action. Example-nya, an essay. Complete sentence, the student writes an essay. This sentence has a subject, verb, and object, so it is clear and complete. Incomplete sentence. Write an essay. This is not complete because there is not subject. We don't know who write the essay.
Common sentence patterns. S plus P, C studies. S plus P plus O, he reads a book. S plus P plus C, the idea is interesting. S plus P plus O, the teacher gave us homework.
Why is this important? Using correct sentence pattern will help you avoid common grammar mistake, make your reading easier to understand, express your ideas more clearly, get better grades on assignment and essay. Grammar tips. A sentence always needs a subject and a verb. Add an object if the verb need it, or e.g. it rice or a magazine. Always check for capital letters and punctuation at the end. Use a complement to give more information about the subject.
Capitalism rules. Capitalism the first word in every sentence. Example, this is my essay. 2. Capitalist name a people, place, and institute. Example, I study at Nusa Putra University. My teacher is Mr. Andi. 3. Always capitalize the word I, even the middle of the sentence. My example, my friend and I are in the same class. Punctuation rules. Punctuation period use to end the statement sentence. Example, she is a student. Punctuation comma used to separate item in a list or clause in the sentence. Example, I read books, article, and blogs. Punctuation, question mark, use-nya to show the sentence is a question. Example, what is your major?
Punctuation, apostrophe, used to show possession or make a contraction. Example, it's here in idea contraction of this. Line spoke in on the table show possession. Why it matters. Correct use of capitalization and punctuation help you write clearly and avoid confusion. Make a good impression in academic writing. Follow standard writing rules used in university and professional settings.
Alifah satu dulu liatinnya. Zoom aja. Iya.
Bisa tebak.
Aku.
Apa?
Itu kayaknya pensil Inul, maybe.
Iya, benar.
Aku pikir tuyul.
Bukan tuyul.
Lagi.
Satu lagi.
Ini yang kedua ya, guys. Tebak.
Mimpi belet pipis.
Iya benar.
Aku.
Jangan.
Keren dong Dede.
Oke.
Susah.
Oke, ke materi lagi.
Lagi.
Cuma 2, guys. Lanjut lagi ya.
Common sentence error and fixes. Wrong sentence. The teacher is kind. Correct version. The teacher is kind. What's the problem? Missing capital letter and the beginning and period at the end. Number 2. He study English. Correct version. They study English. What's the problem? Incorrect verb from is study is wrong. Use simple present studies. Number 3, I like watch movie. Correct version. I like watching movie. The problem, incorrect verb pattern. After like, use again or verb plus ing. Number 4, he go to campus every day. Correct version, he goes to campus every day. The problem, wrong verb from, go to goes, and incorrect word every day to every day.
More common mistake to avoid error type capitalization. Example wrong, I like English. Correction, I like English. Why? I and language name English need capital letter. Error type subject verb agreement. Example, they play football. Correction, they play football. Why? Plural subject sama dengan verb without s. Error type, missing subject. Example, it's raining outside. Correction, it is raining outside. Why? Every sentence need a subject. Error type-nya run on sentence. Example-nya, she is my teacher. She is nice. Correction-nya, she is my teacher. She is nice. Why? Use a To complete sentence. Error type, article usage. Example, she is a student. Correction, she is a student. Word, is or an before singular countable nouns.
How to avoid sentence error. Always check for subject, verb agreement, singular subject except I and you, verb with C series, plural subject, verb without S, play verb. Use capital letters at the beginning of every sentence and for proper nouns. End your sentence with proper punctuation, usually a period or a question mark if it's a question. Review verb patterns. Some verbs with enjoy, like, love, had are followed by verb English. Example, I enjoy reading.
Vocal vocabulary box. Word, subject, meaning the person of thing doing the action. Number two, verb, meaning an action or state word or an is, have. Word number three, meaning the receiver of the action. Word for capital letter, meaning a big letter A, B, C use the at beginnings. Word 5, punctuation, meaning symbol like used in writing.
Quiz. First, choose the sentence that follow the correct subject, verb, object, structure. A. The baby cries slowly. B. She writes a letter to her friend. C. We are in the garden. D. I am tired today. Jawabannya, siapa yang mau jawab?
Nggak bisa.
Oh, aku. Jawabannya kayaknya B. She writes a letter to her friend.
Number 2, which sentence has correct capitalization? A. My sister studies at Harvard University. B. Today I went to the market. C. We visited Bali last summer. D. He likes reading comics. Ada yang mau jawab gak?
Aku. Jawabannya B. Today I went to the market.
Number 3, choose the sentence with correct punctuation. A. What time does the train arrive? B. I like pizza, pasta, and ice cream. C. He said he is coming. D. I bought apples, orange, and bananas. Siapa yang mau jawab?
Aku, Jihan. Jawabannya A. What time does the train arrive?
Number 4, correct the wrong sentence. He go to school every day. Which one is correct? A. He goes to school every day. B. He going to school every day. C. He go to school. He go school every day. D. He is go to school every day. Siapa yang mau jawab?
Aku.
Ayudhya. Ayudhya. Yang A, he goes to school every day. Bener Kak?
Lanjut.
Lanjut.
Number 5. Choose then is complete and error free. A. They play football yesterday. B. My friend and I enjoy swimming. C. The teacher explains the new topic clearly. D. She like reading book every morning. Teman-teman jawabannya apa?
Ya.
Iya nah, al.
Aku yang Dede, kamu udah.
Al.
Aku Epa.
Al aja.
Ih,
Epa, next pertanyaan Epa. Jawabannya Al aja. Untuk pertanyaan nomor 5, jawabannya C. The teacher explained the new topic clearly. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.
Number 6. Which of the following is a complete sentence? A. Running quickly. B. Because it was raining. C. The cat sat on the mat. D. Although he tired hard. Siapa yang bisa jawab? Cuk.
Siapa?
Sok Eva.
aku jawabannya C. The cat sat on the mat.
Bener. Bener
Ih,
banget.
betul. Ya, pintar.
Number 7. Identify the subject in the following sentence. The old house stand on the hill. A. The B. Old. C. House. D. The old house. Siapa yang mau jawab?
Aku. Saya. Oke, aku ya. Jawabannya D, the old house.
Bener.
Oke, lanjut. Number 8. Which sentence is grammatically incorrect? A. She don't like coffee. B. She does like coffee. C. He don't like tea. D. They don't like milk. Untuk siapa yang
Berarti jawabannya adalah A, she don't like coffee. Yeay.
Bener. Pinter.
Number 9. What type of sentence is this? Go to the store. A. Interrogative. B. Deklaratif. C. Imperatif. D. Exclamatory. Siapa yang bisa jawab?
Aku. Najwa. Jawabannya C, imperatif.
Then, combine the following sentence into one complex sentence. The rain stopped. We went for a walk. A. The rain stopped and we went for a walk. B. After the rain stopped, we went for a walk. C. The rain stopped, but we went for a walk. D. The rain stopped, we went for a walk. Siapa yang mau jawab?
Aku Epa. Jawabannya B. After the rain stopped, we went for a walk.
Ya bener. Bener semua. Ya, yang susah-susah please.
Nggak ada.
Buat nggak ada.
Itu sekali.
Udah pada ngerti ya? Penutupan.
That concludes our presentation. We sincerely thank you for your attention, and we hope our explanation has been clear and useful. Sekian, terima kasih
Thank you guys.
dari kami. Bye-bye. See you.
Makasih banyak guys.
Ya,
Bye-bye.
bye. Thank you. You're welcome.
Halo.
Cara keluar